Google Fiber is launching 5 gig and 8 gig plans early next year. Google Fiber's new superfast tiers will be available soon, and some lucky customers will be able to test them early. Google Fiber will offer 5 gigabits per second and 8 gigabits per second levels beginning in mid-2023, through 9 to 5 Google. The organization is pitching these new contributions for individuals like imaginative experts, those that consistently work in the cloud or with huge information, and families with many individuals sharing the web, as per a blog entry from head of item the executives Amalia O'Sullivan. "5 gig will make it simpler to transfer and download all the while, regardless of the document size," composes O'Sullivan. Furthermore, 8 gig will ensure that all that you are doing on the web is going on in close to continuous, without jitter and with low dormancy. The levels each accompany a Wi-Fi 6 switch and up to 2 cross-section extenders with proficient establishment, yet you can utilize your own switch on the off chance that you need. The 5 gigabits per second level will cost $125 each month, while the 8 gigabits per second level will cost $150 each month. Both will have even transfer and download speeds. Some fortunate Google Fiber clients will actually want to early test these new fast levels. In the event that you are an ongoing Google Fiber client, particularly in Utah, Kansas City or West Des Moines, you could be evaluating these new items as soon as the following month, O'Sullivan says. Assuming that depicts you, finish up this structure to be considered for the program. I'll watch you desirously from far off with my measly by examination 100 megabits per second download speeds. For some time there, it seemed like Google Fiber was in some difficulty, particularly after things like its cutbacks in 2016 and the choice to leave Louisville, Kentucky, out and out. However, in August, the organization reported huge development plans, including that it needs to carry fiber to states like Nebraska, Nevada, and Idaho. Furthermore, the new speed levels declared on Thursday expand on the 2 gigabits per second offering that set off in 2020.